Yeah. Here we are, skating around on our pond at the land. There's Hannah skating. Hannah, turn around. Can you say hi? And there's Zach playing. Oh, and Riley's checking on Hannah to make sure she's okay. Hi Riley, where's your skates? Huh? Where's your skates?
He doesn't have any.
Oh, he doesn't have any?
No, the real dad doesn't have any.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, can you skate over to Zach, Hannah? Oh, Zach wiped out.